How to remove TikTok watermark in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up CapCut and open up any particular video file from TikTok and just drag and drop it over here. Just simply drag and drop the clip on the timeline of TikTok. After that, you can just simply edit it and put a cut on it at the end when the TikTok logo shows up. And for the rest of the video, you might be able to see the TikTok logo. You can simply scale your video and make it a little bigger on the edges, so your logo on the edges of TikTok would be hidden behind that particular screen. And in order to remove the TikTok logo in the middle of the video, there are some other ways as well, and you can just simply use this particular website. All you have to do is just copy the link of your TikTok video that you want to download without the logo in it. Just simply copy the link of that particular video and paste it over here. After that, just simply click on this option of download, and this way you would be able to download the TikTok videos without the logo in it. And for the end part where the logo shows up, you can use CapCut in order to remove that particular part, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.